Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial on Deezer's dropshipping. In this video we will talk about Deezer's dropshipping, its membership plans, the sign up and account setup processes, and we will also do a demonstration of how to connect your Shopify and AliExpress accounts to Deezer's dropshipping. And lastly, we will also do a walkthrough of the interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. First, let's begin with a small introduction to Deezers. Deezers is an AliExpress official e-commerce solution that allows users to place bulk dropshipping orders and payments, all in the most convenient manner. Deezers are seamlessly integrated with some of the best e-commerce platforms like AliExpress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. There are so many benefits of using Deezer's dropshipping, but the main ones are that you can manage dropshipping suppliers easily, you can place hundreds of AliExpress orders in seconds, you can satisfy your customers with order tracking, you can optimize shipping costs and delivery times. And then there are other benefits which include make your store unique and attractive, process store orders effectively, offer exemplary customer service, work with stable suppliers, price products with huge margins, and stay on top of industry trends. To know about the pricing and different membership plans of Deezers, hover your cursor on the pricing tab at the top navigation bar, and you will see that there are three options here, which are Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce. Let's check out the pricing for Shopify. Click on Shopify. These are the membership plans and pricings of Deezers for Shopify. Here you can see that Deezers has four membership plans for Shopify. First is the Enterprise plan, which is at $499 per month. But if you subscribe annually, then you can get this plan at $399 per month, and it will be billed annually at $4,788 with 2 months off. The second plan is called the Pro plan, and this one is at $49.9 per month, and you will get a 14 days free trial in it. But if you subscribe annually, then you can get this plan at $39.9 per month, and it'll be billed annually at $478.8 with 2 months off. The third one is the Advanced plan, which is at $19.9 per month, and in this you will get a 14 days free trial as well. But if you subscribe annually, then you can get this plan at $15.9 per month, and it'll be billed annually at $190.8 with 2 months off. And lastly, there is a basic plan, which is obviously free. Here we're going to continue with the free plan, so click on the Start Now button. This is the sign up page. Here enter your email address, then create a password here, and then click on the Create Account button. On the next page, you need to set up your account. This is the first step, and you will be asked, what platform do you want to access? You need to select the platform of your store that you want to link. You can select between Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. And from here, you can also use CSV files from other platforms. We're continuing ahead with Shopify. Now you will be taken to Shopify's App Store page. If you wish, you can go through this page to know more about Deezers, and then click on the Add App button. This is the Shopify login page. You can log in by using your Apple, Facebook, or Google ID, or else here enter your Shopify registered email address and then click on the Continue with Email button. On the next page, here enter your password and then click on the Login button. Now you will be asked to choose your Shopify store. Click on your store, and on the next page, you will be asked a confirmation to bind your Deezer's account to your Shopify store. Go ahead and click on the Yes button. On the next page, you need to install the Deezer's AliExpress dropshipping app in your store. To install this app, you need to give a few permissions to the app. Scroll down this page and here you will see what access are you going to give to this app. This app can access your customer information like contact information, which includes name, email address, and phone number. Then location, which includes physical address, geolocation, and IP address. And then device information, which includes browser and operating system. This app can also access the store owner's information, like contact information, which includes the name, email address, and phone number, and location, which includes physical address. And below you will see the permission details section, in which you can see what this app can do in your store. This app can view other data, edit orders, and edit products. And if you're okay with all these access and permissions, then just click on the Install App button. After successfully installing the app, you will be taken back to the Deezers page. This is the second step, in which you need to select a plan to continue further. Here we're continuing with the basic plan, so click on the Start Now button. This is the third step, in which you need to bind your AliExpress account with Deezers, so click on the AliExpress button. This is AliExpress's login page. You can continue with your Google, Facebook, Twitter, or Apple account, or else here enter your AliExpress registered email ID, and then here enter your password, and then click on the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to this page, where you will see all the access and permissions that you're going to provide to Deezers. You can go through these details, and if you're okay with providing all these accesses, then just click on the Authorize button. It might take some time, and after successfully authorizing, you will be taken back to your Deezers account. On this page, the Deezers chatbot will ask you to learn how to import products. From here, you can learn how to start the order processing. And from here, you can learn how to start importing products. You can go through these buttons to watch the different tutorials here, but if you don't want to learn all these things right now, then click here on the I will explore freely and later button, and you will be then taken to your Deezers dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the interface. Here on the top of the page, you will see your store platform, and if you have connected multiple stores of the same platform, then you can choose between them from this store selector drop-down. In the left sidebar, you can see there are different tabs for Home, Report, Find Suppliers, Supply Optimizer, Import List, My Products, Open Orders, Archived Orders, Tracking, Link to More Stores, Settings, Manage Subscription, and lastly, Support. In the center of the page, you will see the products. You can filter it by selecting the warehouse from this drop-down menu. From here, you can sort the products list by default, orders, newest, and price. You can scroll down to find a product suitable for your Shopify store. So this was a complete walkthrough of the interface, and with this we have completed our Deezers dropshipping tutorial. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.